What's up, everybody? I'm back again with another video for y'all. See what we can do next to this thing. So I actually got a special package this time, and this time it came from Socal GarageWorks. So this one should be pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and see what's in here. I know what's in here, but let's open it up. I haven't seen it in person yet, so this should be pretty dope. Got here super quick. I ordered it. You finally did?
Yes, I finally
Okay. I ordered it on Monday and it's Wednesday. So it got here really quick. Super fast shipping. So let's see what we have here. So there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and move this down here a little bit. So, can you tell what it is? Probably not. If you can, go ahead and comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell so I can keep going ahead and making these videos. That helps me a lot, helps the YouTube algorithm, so that way everybody sees what I'm making and I can keep bringing the content to you guys. So, let's see what's in here. Oh, wow. Ooh. Wow. This is really, really badass. Wow. So, see that this is actually OEM piece there, Hyundai Mobis. And this is a carbon fiber gas door. So we're gonna go ahead and install this guy together today. So we'll see how that goes. So before I go ahead and install the gas cover on the car, I want to go ahead and address something. We hit 1,000 subscribers. So I said that at 1,000 subscribers, we were gonna go ahead and do the first giveaway. So that's exactly what we're gonna go ahead and do. We're not gonna do it in this video, but I'm gonna announce what we're gonna do for the giveaway. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is a $50 gift certificate to Socal GarageWorks. I'm gonna go ahead and see if there's anything else that I can throw in there, see if there's anybody I can partner up with. But Socal GarageWorks says that they wanted to partner up with us to do this because we're bringing tons of content to the Veloster community and because they have a lot of different products for the Veloster community. Make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. So it's gonna be a $50 gift certificate over to Socal GarageWorks. So it doesn't matter if you have a Veloster or any type of KTM vehicle or anything. They actually make parts for pretty much any type of car. They have custom steering wheels. They have so many different things that they can do. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do or how I'm gonna do this giveaway. I've done a giveaway before on Instagram, and that's kind of gone a little different, just based on the way that the different programs that are there. But for YouTube, I've never done one. So let's see how that works out, and I'll actually make a video on announcing the actual giveaway and how it's gonna work, when it's gonna happen, and all that good stuff. So let's go back to the install. All right, so it doesn't look like it's gonna be too hard actually. So all it's going to be, from what I can see, is going to be these two that we gotta remove, and we're gonna do that with a number 10. Found the 10, so at least we're lucky with that. And this should all come off. And then we got to take this guy off, put it on the new one, and put it back on. So I think I'm going to need an extension, and I need to put this down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and let's get this started. So I'm going to go ahead and use just a 10. Take off the gas cap. So it's out of the way, and it should come off fairly easy. I couldn't find any video or anything that said what to do, so we're gonna find out together. All right, so let's go ahead and loosen both of these up. Now the cool thing is that it's using an OEM part, it's not aftermarket, so it should fit right on. And I'll go ahead and just unscrew these guys. Should just use the socket. You just don't want to lose the screw. There. And then for this guy, same thing. So we go ahead and put it over here as well. And that should be all there is to taking it out. But let's see if Hyundai left us any surprises. This top one a little harder to take off. So let's see here. Alright, so we got it off. Alright. And okay, so you want to close it a little bit and then it'll come out. So before it locks. So close it a little bit so that way you have space to wiggle it out. And then you notice right in here you have that release. So I think I don't know if I want to just try to go at it without anything, but looks like all we need to do is kind of just put a flathead in there. So let me go ahead and grab one and we'll take this off. All right, so let's try to keep this in frame here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to push this in. See if this works. Okay. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm actually breaking this off here already. So let's see, let's try it from the outside. Let's see if from out here I can get it to come off. Alright, looks like it's giving way. Need some persuasion here. Nope. Snap back in. So I guess we'll go ahead and try to go around here. On one side and on the other. Now, at least the good thing is that this is the inside of the gas door. So, even if I mess up something a little bad, you won't notice it. So let's see. We can get both sides to release. Looks like it doesn't want to. Alright, maybe if I wiggle it down. Okay, there we go. So, just kind of pried it out a little bit, then started wiggling it around, and it came off. This goes onto the carbon one. Before I do this though, one trick that I learned from another person in the community is to go ahead and prep this to actually be on the car. I did that to the hood. I actually used it's from Chemical Guys. I think it's called a Hydro Slick. So I'm gonna, wipe this down real quick with a little bit of detailer, and then put a coat of Hydro Slick on there, and then I'm gonna put it on the car. So you guys will see how I do that too. All right, so this is what I'm gonna use, is the Chemical Guys Hydro Slick. I used it on the carbon fiber hood, and it's amazing. It provides that ceramic coat, that hydrophobic coating, so nothing sticks to it, and water doesn't, water just slides off of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it a little bit, and once I'm done, what I'm gonna go ahead and use is microfiber applicator. It's nice and clean. We're gonna put a couple dots on here because it's such a small piece. I'm actually only gonna put like one dot. So just like that. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and grab this, pat it on, and put it on. So I went ahead and I cleaned it, of course, before to make sure that it was all good. So I'm putting it one way, then go the other way, making sure that it grabs and it covers everything. A little bit goes a long way with this product. So that should do it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it there for maybe about a minute at the most. So I'm gonna put it down, and from there, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go ahead and wipe it off. And once it's wiped off, we should be good to go. And we'll install the carbon fiber piece here. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that that's about done. Get a clean microfiber towel, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice wipe down. So it says that before contact with water, you want to give it 24 hours and such. So I'm not gonna put it in contact with water. I'm just gonna put it on the car. Looks like all the residue's gone, and look at that shine it gives it. It's freaking amazing. So let's go ahead and install this thing. Now to install it, we're gonna go ahead and just do the reverse of what we did to take it off. So gas cap, we're gonna go ahead and put it in that hole there.
That's what she said.
And that'll hang off. Now we can go ahead and put it in the car. So let's go over here. And go ahead, put that there. So we want it just to kind of fold in. That's how we did the stock one. Let's see here. It should fit. They're the exact same size. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, there we go. So now let's put these screws back in. These little 10mm bolts. I'm going to lock it in place. It'll be easier for me to handle here. And screw it in just a little bit. Grab the other one. Do the same. Right in, perfect. So now let's go ahead and get to work. Tightening these guys up. Be careful with the body. Don't want to mess the car up. Should be all right though. Yeah, like I'm not hitting anything in the body of the car. Just afraid of the ratchet kind of hitting a body panel. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just do it by hand until I feel that it gets tight enough that it needs the ratchet there. Okay. This one too. It's actually pretty easy. The moment I drop my tent. Pretty easy. It's what took 15 minutes, and that's with doing the quick coating there. So I'm not gonna tighten it too much. Just hand tight, and then get on there. It looks like I might need to adjust it a little bit actually. Make sure. Actually no. It's perfect. And let me pop it out. Yeah, that's perfect. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you install the Socal GarageWorks carbon fiber fuel door or gas cap door or gas fuel door. So make sure you go ahead and check them out. I'll have a link for it down in the description, and make sure you guys like the video. Helps me out a lot. Subscribe and hit that bell notification. It'll help me out. Remember, I'm gonna go ahead and do the giveaway now that we hit 1,000 subscribers. So be on the lookout for that. So you definitely want to have that bell notification on. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about it, how you think this looks, and see you guys in the next one.